I've come down to the Leybourne Lakes to meet the anglers from the Cygnet Club to get to the bottom of this slippery subject. But first we must ask the question, what is a fish? With almost 28,000 diverse species of fish alive today, this is not as easy as you may think. Diversity, such as living in seawater or freshwater, in environments as hot as 40 degrees or as cold as -2 degrees, and ranging in length from 8 millimeters to 12 meters. But all fish have a brain protected by a brain case and an obvious head region with eyes, teeth and other sensory organs. Most fish are vertebrates and have a spinal cord, but hagfish do not. Most fish live in water, but mudskippers can live out of water. Most fish breathe with gills, but lungfish use lungs to breathe. Most fish have paired limbs, but lampreys do not. Most fish are unable to regulate their own body temperatures, but tuna are warm-blooded and can. Most fish are covered with some type of scales, but some eels do not have scales. Living and thriving underwater requires some amazing morphological adaptations. One of the most amazing is the use of scales, which are not only strong and durable, but also allow easy movement and also protection from parasites, scraps and predators. Plaucoid scales are also called denticles. They fit together but do not overlap as much as other scales. The inner pulp of each scale is supplied with blood as it is surrounded with layers of dentine and enamel. Many of the shark and ray species have this type of scale. Ganoid scales are strong, inflexible and diamond-shaped. They fit together with a peg socket type joint and are usually made up of a hard outer layer of ganoin over a softer, pliable layer. They are found in fossilised fish and species like sturgeon and paddlefish. Ctenoid scales are tooth-shaped and overlap like tiles on a roof. They have comb-like extensions called sentae and a rough texture. These scales contain very little bone and only have enamel in the ridges and sentae. Centenon is the ancient Greek word for comb. Xyloid scales are rounded scales found in species such as salmon and carp. The scales grow as the fish does and fit together neatly to provide a smooth cover that gives flexibility for easy movement. Whatever type of scale a fish has, the scale all grows in the same direction from head to tail, and hence the fish seems really smooth and slippery. Back to the studio.